Alright, who here likes superheroes? Okay, and of those of you, who knows who the Flash is? Okay, and who knows who the Flash's alter ego is and what he does on a daily basis? For those of you who do not know, Barry Allen, the Flash's alter ego, is a forensics analyst for the Central City Police Department. This brings us to me and what I will be talking about today. My name is Creed Jeffers, and I am a criminal justice major right here at UCCS. And today I will be talking about the requirements and the daily life that comes with being a forensics analyst. Let's begin by describing the requirements for the position. To be a forensics analyst in an entry position, you must have an associate's or bachelor's degree in forensic science or microbiology, and it is not required but is recommended to have crime lab internship experience. If you wish to enter the forensics field at a federal level, you must have a doctoral degree, and your crime lab internship is a required is a requirement. The duties of a forensics analyst are to examine and analyze evidence. They are responsible for field tests, such as anything from finding a make and model of a getaway vehicle based off of tread marks, to finding a murder weapon based off of blood spatter patterns on a wall. The final duty of this profession is to document the findings of your analysis back into the case file or into the corresponding criminal database. Now, what does a forensics officer make per year? The Houston Chronicle says that a forensics officer on a local level receives $54,990 per year. On a state level, however, they receive $54,550 per year. And on a federal level, they receive a whopping $95,240 per year. Again, that is according to the Houston Chronicle. Benefits include vacation days, paid sick days, life, health, and dental insurance, and full retirement once the required years are met. However, in life, nothing comes without complications, and these occupational hazards are no exception. According to crimesceneinvestigator.net, a hazard is the lack of safety or degree of risk in an exposure situation. For a crime scene, weather poses the greatest risk, as any inclement weather can compromise a crime scene and make any case null and void in minutes or hours. Possible psychological effects pose a threat to the analyst as they deal with death on a daily basis. A typical forensic analyst sees decay, blood, gore, and experiences smells that are ungodly, to say the least, throughout their career on a daily basis. And after, say, 15 years of experiencing and dealing with death on a daily basis, your mind and soul will take a toll. Forensics analysts are a key part of the police force. If they were not included in the criminal process, it would be a lot harder to solve cases. At this point, I am beginning to hope that I have informed you in a deep enough manner on the duties, requirements, and needs that must be met to become and to have a career in forensic analysis. And I'm hoping that you are beginning to understand that even before Barry Allen was the Flash, he was a day-to-day hero. Thank you.